Hello there, I'm Josh from Honda Bolton, and today I'll be showing you around this used car for sale. This is the Toyota Yaris Cross XL. It's equipped with a 1.5 litre self-charging petrol hybrid engine and automatic transmission. This model comes to us in excellent condition, having just one previous owner. The vehicle sports a full suite of LED headlights and LED rear lights for great visibility on the road, and it sits on these stylish alloy wheels that pair well with the rest of your exterior. The boot space is nice and practical and features a protective mat in the event of any spillages, alongside a nice and convenient power tailgate function, allowing for easier opening and closing of the boot space. Your interior is furnished with a part leather upholstery for a more premium feeling interior. The driver then has access to a multi-function steering wheel. On the left side of your wheel you'll find controls for your digital driver display as well as volume management. As you can see, you can expect great fuel economy thanks to your hybrid engine, while the right side houses your cruise control and channel selection options. Over on your central screen you can access your entertainment features such as DAB radio. External connections such as Apple CarPlay is available. You've then got helpful tools such as built-in satellite navigation to help you find newer destinations that much easier, and manoeuvring on this model is made nice and simple via a rear camera system. Just below you'll find access to your nice and simple climate control that is dual zone for extra comfort. You've then got heated front seat toggles available just below, and a nice amount of central storage accompanying your various drive mode selection options. Above your head you do also have a glass sunblind. Thank you if you're interested in this Toyota Yaris Cross XL, available now from Honda Bolton. For more information please contact a member of the sales team.